Lord of the Universe, discards his old body and takes on a new one. So too do his attendant deities Balaram and Subhadra. These huge wooden images carved by the priests were taken from the temple to be shown to the pilgrims. At last, the image of Lord Jagannath was brought out to the waiting multitude. The crowd struggled to catch a glimpse of the newly carved figure, but according to Hindu scripture, those who behold and worship the idol on this day are freed from the bondage of rebirth. In their chariots, the three gods were drawn through the streets in a triumphant procession.
आहे नील शैल तले शुणी द्रौपदीर जणाण कुरुष भातले शुणी द्रौपदीर जणाण कोटी वस्त्र देई हेले लज्जा कल बारण आहे नील शैल
God of the people takes his annual ride from the 1600-year-old temple at Puri, Orissa, to his country house outside the village, pulled by thousands of devout Hindus. Behind the giant car, which is his throne, other cars carry Jagannath's brother and sister, his companions on the journey. Several days are needed to pull the car to its destination, for although it is only a mile away, most of the route is deep sand. According to legend, pilgrims used to fling themselves under the wheels as delivering sacrifice. But Hindus point out that this would be sacrilege, for the festival is sacred to Vishnu, the preserver. Enough for them the blessing which comes from taking part in this strenuous tribute to the God of the people.
आहे नील शैल